What's good, family, and welcome to another episode of Ambitious Eats. Now today I'm down here at Grill Avenue in Bilston, and I'm really excited to show you guys this one. Once again, another business that's opened up in the city of Wolverhampton that is taking the aesthetic side of things very, very serious. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to head inside, I'm going to show you guys some of the inside, I'm going to show you guys a special VIP area that these guys have got going on, and then last but not least, I'm going to show you some of the food that these guys have going on. So with that being said, guys, let's not waste any more time, let's get into today's video. Hey guys, real quick, if this is the first time that you're watching any one of my videos, I want you to do two things. Number one, I want you to follow me on Instagram. That's going to pop up somewhere on the screen right now. And number two, hit the subscribe button. Also put the bell notification on so that you get notified every single time we upload a brand new video. Cool guys, so I finally have my food here from Grill Avenue and it's smelling phenomenal. Let me show you guys. Give us a like and a follow. Look at that. So, just so that you guys can see these wings here, that is the mango chutney. These ones are tandoori and these ones are extra spicy, so I'm looking forward to them. Honestly guys, look, they smell amazing. Smell amazing. You guys know I love my chicken wings, I absolutely love them, and that is looking stunning straight away. So guys, with that being said, like, let me just get stuck in. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try out the mango chutney ones first. Take a look at that wing. Cooked well, grilled very, very well. Take a look at that. Look at that. Ooh. Grilled correct as well. Open this bad boy up. Ooh. All the heat coming off of that. Looks really good, man. Mango, this is actually a first for me. I've never actually tried mango chutney wings before, so let's give this a go. That's amazing, bro. Mango chutney. I've never tried them before on wings, you know. That's fire, that is. If you ever come here, you gotta try these ones. Mango chutney. Never tried mango chutney before, but mango chili. Sorry, mango chili. These are fire. These are fire. Wow. Yes, these are nice. Once again, one of the things that you guys know that I look for is that the chicken is cooked well and it's cooked fresh. 100%. Wing tastes amazing. Mango chili. I've never tried mango chili before. These are proper. Mango chili wings are bang on, guys. All jokes aside, like, never tried mango chili before. Not mango chutney, mango chili. I apologize. Let's move on to the tandoori wings. Now you can see already it's a bit of a different color to the mango chili. Once again, grilled perfect. I don't know about you guys, but when I'm having grilled wings, I love to see some of the black kind of like barbecue marks on it from the actual grill itself. Let's open up that bad boy. Let's give this a try. Tandoori wings. Oh, tastes so good. Really good. Once again, man, everything about it, man. The wing easily comes off the bone, which is obviously a big thing. Thank you, brother. Now guys, look, this is an exclusive sauce, okay, to Grill Avenue. It's called Crazy Sauce. I'm gonna try it out with some chips literally right now, but this is exclusive to Grill Avenue. It's not even out yet, so I'm actually getting the exclusive. So shout out to the guys at Grill Avenue for hooking me up with that. But I'm gonna give this sauce a try right now with some of the chips. I actually might try it with the extra spicy wing as well. So let's give it a go. Ooh, it smells strong. I like it. Let's give it a try with a chip. Let's give it a try. Ooh, that tastes nice. Let me. I almost get like a sweet kind of taste from it. Try with the chip again. Yeah, I get almost like a sweet kind of taste from it. Not 100% sure what's in it, but it tastes good, man. I like that. With the fries as well. But let's do this. Let's try the crazy sauce with the extra spicy wing. Okay, looks really good. Take it, dunk it in the sauce. There you go. The mix goes well. The mix goes well. Put that again. Dunked it in all the sauce. Sauce is amazing, man. It tastes really good. I like it. Honestly, if you guys do come down to Grill Avenue, make sure you ask for the crazy sauce once it's launched. It's there's like a sweet taste, but it's not like overbearing. It's not too much, if that makes sense. Fries as well. Got the peri salt like on there. Got that bad boy. Ooh, that looks good. That does. Looks really good. Alright, cool. So lamb chops have come. Now I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I tried them before I turned the camera on. These taste amazing. Look at that. Grilled so well. These are amazing. Seasoned so well. Tastes great. Look at how easy it comes apart. It's not tough, it's not rough, it's not rubbery. It comes apart easy. Let's try some of the lamb chop in the crazy sauce. Phenomenal. This tastes so good. Easy off the bone. Bursting with flavour as well, man. Seasoned to perfection, in my opinion. The lamb chops are 100% a reason to come down. Especially mixing it with the crazy sauce as well. As you can see, I've gone crazy on the crazy sauce. There's not really much left, but it tastes so good. Alright, cool guys, so my burger has now come out. It smells, may I just say, it smells amazing. Ooh. Okay, let me show you guys this. It's called What's Your Beef? Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Take a look at that. Look at that. Salad. Got the beef burger. Got some onion rings as well. Then you got the patties. Listen, man, let's not waste any more time. Let's get stuck in. Ooh. That looks amazing. Right, let's give it a go. So many flavors, it's crazy. Full burger, it's not flimsy. It's full, packed with good ingredients. You can tell onion ring, the patty, salad, the cheese. My God. Oh. Once again, they've smashed it. A grilled bun, major key. A grilled bun, love it. You know what tastes good as well? The onion ring on the actual burger. I like that. Cool guys, so I've got my next burger, which is called the High Rise. It's like a chicken burger. It smells, ooh, it smells nice, man. Let me show you guys real quick. There you go, it's the High Rise burger. So as you can see, if I lift it, you got the salad, you got the cheese, hash brown, and you've also got the chicken in there also. Okay. Let's take it out and let's give it a try. Look at that. Look at that. One thing that I do have to say about these guys is that their burgers are full. Like, they're packed burgers, man. Like, if you take a look at that, you know, that's only one piece of chicken, but it's full. Look at the hash brown. Look at that, the cheese, salad. There is this chicken fillet. And as you can see the smoke coming off of it, man. Well cooked, smells great. Let's give it a try. Here we go. It tastes good, guys. Hash brown tastes very good as well. I love it. Piping hot. One of the things that I like as well is this. The piece of chicken, it's not dry, and that's important. Some places you can go and they have their burger, the chicken can be dry, but the chicken isn't dry. That's a big plus. Look at that. Look at that. Well cooked. All the different layers. You can see the burger, then the hash brown, a bit of the cheese, and the salad at the top as well. And this is the High Rise burger. Cool, man, guys. So look, today's experience has been good. Grill Avenue, these guys are smashing it. New to Wolverhampton. So next week Friday the 18th, these guys are having their launch event. It's going to be at their Bilston branch. Yeah, it's going to be at their Bilston branch. Keep an eye on their social media. I'm going to link to it below in the description below this video. Make sure you guys come along and make sure you guys support Also as well, they've got 50% off everything at their launch event. That's correct, yeah? They've got 50% off everything at their launch event. So make sure you guys take the time, take the opportunity, come down, try out some of their food, and I guarantee you're not going to be disappointed. I've tried out so much of their food today and it tastes great. It tastes phenomenal. Their sauce, the crazy sauce, give that a try. And this is just a little tip I want to give you guys. If you have the lamb chops, get the lamb chops, dip it in the crazy sauce. Your mouth is going to explode with flavors, believe me. But real talk, guys, thank you guys for watching another video here again. Make sure you do the usual things. Number one, follow me on Instagram. Make sure you do that. Also, hit the subscribe button. If you're brand new to the channel and you like videos like these, make sure to subscribe. Make sure you put on the notification bell so you get a notification every single time you upload a brand new video. And last but not least, make sure you go across, give Grill Avenue a follow. The information is going to be in the description below this video. But with that being said, I'll see you guys at the next one. Peace.
Thank you.